baby. Hi guys, we're back. That was so fake. Okay, so last night, look at my face. Like, I was so tired I couldn't even be bothered to take off my makeup last night. I have an appointment today to get my eyelashes done. Also my nails, I have none. So I thought it'd be a fun idea to go and like treat myself, have like a little self-care day. I'm gonna do skincare, get a Dutch Bros, then go get my nails done, my eyelashes done, probably go shopping because I need more clothes. Then I'm gonna come back home and hopefully do a nice little bath, maybe some body skincare, and yeah. Okay, let's get started. Also, I didn't mention, I'm just gonna bring you guys along because why not? And also content. Let's go. Oh my gosh, I look sweaty. It's hot in here. What's up, guys? Okay, so we're getting Dutch Bros. I'm gonna be getting my iced cookie breve. You guys already know. Say hi, Dad.
What's up?
I like driving vlogs. I can't wait to get a car.
You have a car, it's in Hawaii.
Yes, thank you for reminding me. My eyelash appointment is at 1:30.
12:05.
Okay, so we're just gonna be chilling until then. So yeah. Oh! Hi, good. Can I get a medium iced cookie breve? Thank you. I like the drive of this car, it's really smooth. Hi, I'm getting Dutch Bros and I'm vlogging and I'm with Dad. Yeah. Thank you. You too.
Okay.
Okay, how do I get out of this?
Okay,
Cookie breve! You wanna try and get your reaction for the vlog? Bro, I like drive vlogging. Like, look at how cute this setup is. It's so personal and fun, I don't know. Also, I have no makeup on. Like, look at my skin. Well, okay, that's a lie, except for lip gloss. And I gelled down my eyebrows, but Chunk Elephant from Sephora inside JCPenney. Look at that glow. We got the goods.
Look, there's
feeling good.
Guard standing right at the door, like with a gun. Like, are they gonna get robbed or something?
An armed guard?
Yeah.
That's scary.
There's a guy standing right in the front.
I wanna go see, let's go.
You can go.
Jesus, skirt. Alright guys, so I'm not an experienced driver, so I'm gonna turn off my camera while I drive at the moment. Hold on, let me finish my sentence after I make this turn. I'm gonna go on the big road and I'm not gonna focus on two things at once, so love you guys, I'll see you when I'm at Chick-fil-A. We just arrived at the Lash place. Also just got the Chick-fil-A. We're gonna eat first and then I'm gonna go get my lashes done. Also, here's the before and after. So, just finished the lash. We're on our way to go get my nails done now. Very needed. Now my dad is driving, so I'm gonna listen to music. What's up, guys? Okay, so it's been like 2 days. As you guys saw, my dad came to visit me in Vegas and we just decided that we were gonna go eat instead of me getting my nails done, and I was gonna go do it the next day, but the eyelash place I went to, I showered and literally my whole right side of eyelashes fell out. So I just paid $140 for this. So I called them. Also, I'm gonna put you over here because I don't want to hold my camera anymore. This looks really messy. I feel like I've been going to really bad eyelash places. Like, I can't find a solid good one, even though I looked on Yelp for a really long time. I looked at reviews and I looked at all the pictures they posted, but I don't know. Anyways, the girl I had, she was really nice. I think she kind of like assumed that I got my eyelashes done before, because she didn't like explain that I wasn't supposed to shower within 24 to 48 hours of getting my eyelashes done. Well, not shower, but like I'm not supposed to wet my eyelashes. I went in the next morning, I got them fixed. Theirs kind of sucked too. Like It's only been one day and my eyelashes have already came out. Yeah, so $140. So now we're gonna go do my nails. Here is the fit. Very cash, but simple, but cute. We got hoops. Necklace is from Adina's Jewel. This little bralette bandeau crop top in the bra section, because it literally is just a bra, but it's summer, so it's acceptable. Belt from Princess Polly, and just random socks. I'm probably just gonna wear Air Forces. Also, I finally put up a curtain rack. My apartment company got mad at us because we poked too many holes in the wall. Exhibit A, Exhibit B, C, D, E, F, and G. But yeah, so I decided that there were already holes in the wall. What makes the difference if I poked 2 more? And also I didn't know that you can hire someone on TaskRabbit to patch and paint your walls, so. Ooh, look, there's a hole right there. Okay, let's go. Here are the finished nails. I just got a really basic ombre and I got them a little bit shorter this time. Let's get on to skincare. This morning I just had one blackhead right here, and once I start I cannot stop. So I just started popping all of these. And yeah, but luckily this video is sponsored. Thank you so much to Sephora inside JCPenney for sponsoring this video. This month they are highlighting skincare, and they were really nice enough to send me over some Drunk Elephant products. Sephora inside JCPenney wants you to see the Drunk Elephant difference. Millions of people love Drunk Elephant. And second, I literally genuinely needed new skincare products that were good. I had a solid skincare routine down, but then winter came around and messed me up. I wanted to try nice high-end products, but $80, and I don't even know if it makes my skin look beautiful. So that's why we have this baby. This is the Littles kit. She literally comes with 8 different products. You get the Bestie No. 9 Jelly Cleanser, a C Firma Day Serum, the C Tango Multivitamin Eye Cream, B Hydra Intensive Hydration Serum, the Physical Daily Defense Sunscreen that is SPF 30, the TLC Night Serum, a Luxury Facial Oil, and the Proteiny Polypeptide Cream. All of the Littles come with a pump or with this cool little twist top technology thing. The Littles kit is perfect for travel because I have super dry skin. I also got the Salai, not sure how to pronounce it, Makeup Melting Butter Cleanser, but they wanted to make a cleansing balm. It's kind of like oil, virgin marula oil. Once this baby touches water, it literally turns into milk, like the science. So now I'm going to show you guys what I do and how I use these products. Drunk Elephant formulates their products by focusing on your natural pH levels, and you won't find any of the suspicious, which includes drying alcohol, fragrance and dyes, essential oils, silicones, etc. And my favorite part about these, you're able to mix all of these products together. You can make your own science concoction and lather it all over your face. So if you haven't already, definitely go and check out your local Sephora inside JCPenney and go check out their skincare. Check out Drunk Elephant. Alright guys, so now that my skin feels good and looks good, time to go relax in the bath. Welcome to my bathroom. I hate this bathroom because my apartment company literally catfished me, but that's a whole other video. So I changed into a robe and now it's time to relax. I think I'm gonna do a face mask even though I don't really need it, but like content and thumbnail. So might be a move. I'm gonna do a bath bomb and body scrub, a hair treatment because I need it. And I'm gonna shave. Let's go get some candles. Okay, I have 2 summer themed candles. We got Banana Cabana. Smells really good. And Fiji White Sands. I'm gonna put on this face mask first. This is the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mask, which is also available at your local Sephora inside JCPenney. Okay, let's do this. Oh, smells good. Yeah, this is not gonna be one of those cute face masks. It feels so good though. Of course my whole forehead fits. All right. Beautiful. Gonna light the candles. Okay, why is this kind of ASMR? Hello guys. Candles are lit. Ah! Oh my, I literally almost caught on fire on camera. All right, here is my bath bomb. How the heck do you? It smells good. Let's set this bath up. What's up guys? I just finished my bath and my shower, but because I didn't film in there obviously, I'm gonna show you guys all the stuff that I used for my treat myself skincare portion. First things first, I did a hair mask, basically for really dry hair. Then I exfoliated with a body polish. Ew, this is still wet. We shaved with some shaving cream and a nice beautiful men's razor. So lastly, we're gonna moisturize the lips. And we're done. I'm gonna change into some PJs because this robe keeps opening. Be right back. PJs acquired. Wearing my UNLV shirt even though I don't go there anymore. And just some random cheer shorts. I'm just gonna put some repairing leave-in hair conditioner. My hair smells so good. All right guys, look at my eyelashes, bro. I'm literally never going there again. It's all gone. All right guys, so a major step in my self-care routine is bullet journaling. This is my new one. I just got her. This was my old one. I just finished this baby. My love for bullet journaling definitely started when I was in school. Always had a planner. I loved taking notes. I loved making my notes so pretty. Bullet journaling is so therapeutic. Literally, I have no idea what I would do if I didn't have a planner. I feel so organized. I literally plan what I'm gonna do every single day from the moment I wake up. It makes me feel more productive, more organized. And yeah, so I'm gonna get to it. Love you guys so freaking much. Mwah. Bye.